Hi there, Shingirai here again with another update on portfolio performance over the past week. On a 1 week basis, 3 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from 0.17% down to minus 1.02% for CBAM portfolios number 1 and 5v2 respectively. In a shift of sentiment back to being risk off for the majority of last week, we've seen some headwinds for Bailey Gifford European Equity down 3.4%, also 8am Global Focused down 3%, and then Allianz European Continental down 2.33%. Alongside some of the major indices as well, they did see some major some headwinds on the back of some selling off behavior during the past week. Switching over to contributors to performance, we did see some rebound in the price of physical gold, and that's reflected in the top performer on a 1 week basis, being iShares Physical Gold, up 3.28%, and this was largely supported last week by indications that the central banks around the world would not be tightening monetary policy by increasing interest rates, and therefore making gold less attractive. And we also saw some weakness in the labor reports on Friday coming from non-payrolls in America, and that would lead to some dollar weakness, and both of these factors really supported gold's performance over the past week, and gold was up 3.28%. We also did see some strong performance from SPDR's US Dividend Aristocrats and iShares Index-Linked Gilts, up 1.54%, and that was on the back of a growth forecast from the Bank of England, be adjusting the outlook for the UK economic GDP growth up from 5% for the year 2021 to be adjusted for an outlook of 7.25% for the full year of 2021. Also, we saw the yield on the 10-year gilt also tightening down to 78 basis points, so that would mean a fall of about 6 basis points, supporting the price for UK gilts. On a year-to-date basis, 7 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from 7.38% for CBAM portfolio number 5 down to minus 24 basis points for CBAM portfolio number 1. On a year-to-date basis, we continue to see headwinds in this risk-on environment for 91 Global Gold Miners, for SPDR UK Gilts, and for LNG All Stocks Gilts, all down more than 6% on a year-to-date basis, which is in line with what we see when you look at the contributors to performance. Have been a strong rebound in the cyclical trade in terms of mid, small, and large cap United States and UK equities, and that would see the performance being returned by the S&P 400 from SPDR being up 17.14%, whilst US smaller companies and iShares 500, S&P 500 have been up north of 12% for the both of them.